How to set up shipping in Squarespace. Hey everyone, welcome. I hope you're all doing great. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to do so. Now, this is obviously going to be for those who are selling physical products and you will need to calculate your shipping rates and so on. You can do it for overseas, you can do it for international, it's completely up to you. And we can manage all of this from our Squarespace. So let's just go and talk about it real quick and show you where you'll be able to access these settings. So open up your Squarespace website and you should find yourself in a page similar to this. And all you need to do is just go ahead and scroll down to the bottom until you find this settings icon, which is a gear icon. Click on it and then you will find yourself in here. Now we are going to be looking for the shipping setting. So it should be within the selling here. So just go and click on selling. And then from here, you will find shipping. So just go and click on shipping. Now in here, we will be pretty much adding more shipping options so that we are going to be more specific with it. So for example, we can just click on add shipping option. And then here we can do flat rate or weight based. Now, this is going to be very important for you to decide. I mean, if you want it to be weight based, it's actually going to be great for you to try out because this is actually going to make things easier for you. But also, if you want to really relieve yourself from the headache, you can just go for flat rate instead. Now, this is going to, like, both of which can have their own uses. So see whichever one is going to suit you best and go with it. So for example, if we just want to go for flat rate, for example, for free shipping, we can just go and click on flat rate. And then here we can just go ahead and add our shipping option name. So this is just going to be the name for it. So I'm just going to give it test shipping like so. And then we can just go in and set our shipping rates. So here we can just do per order fee and also per item fee. So you can set up, I'm not sure if I want it to be free or not. So let's just not do it for free for this time. So here, I'm just going to do, for example, the shipping for this one is going to be, let's say it's international. It's going to be $15. And here I'm not going to add anything because this is just an additional for each item they add to it. And here you can just go ahead and make it international by adding the rest of the world section. So now it is pretty much international shipping for $15. Click on save and you're pretty much good to go. Now we can just add another shipping option. We can do flat rate. This time it's going to be free shipping. And this is going to be for that specific country of yours that you're working from. So for example, in my case, I'm just going to go for this one. This one I can offer free shipping, so I'm just going to leave it at 0 and click on save. And now we have free shipping for the UAE. And obviously you can feel free to add more shipping options here as well. Now we also have more stuff here, but I'm just going to talk about one more stuff here. For example, you also have the local delivery options and also pickup options if you offer those. So people can actually go ahead and pick up your items instead. But we also have the fulfillment profiles. This is going to be especially great if you set up this one, the fulfillment profiles, because you can set up multiple different profiles. And basically each time you add a product, you can set up that profile to that specific product, and it's just going to take those options automatically for it. So for example, we can add a custom profile here, give it the name free shipping profile, and then we're just going to use this one and click on save. Now all we need to do, just to make things easier, we can just go to our products and then you will find the option to add a fulfillment profile if you want, and you can just go ahead and add this one which we just created for it, and we're pretty much good to go instead of having to calculate each and every single product individually. But this is pretty much all you need to know when it comes to the basics of shipping and Squarespace. Hopefully you found it to be informative, and thanks for watching.